What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to go over how to use the Arpeggiator on the M25. Underneath we have the Arpeggiator, so we can arpeggiate the chords that we're playing. So for example, I can turn it on, and now if I play a chord, you hear the arpeggio start to go. Then we have the tap tempo where we can change the speed of the arpeggio. So if I were to play that chord again, and then use the tap tempo, see, it starts to become faster. If you ever want to turn the tap tempo off, you just have to hold it down until the light disappears. What's also cool is that we can use these knobs over here on the other side to manipulate the arpeggio. To do this, we'll want to hold down the arpeggio button, and then from here we can use the knobs to adjust the arpeggio. So we can use this first knob here to adjust the division of the arpeggio. So for example, I can change it anywhere from 1/8 to a 1/16 triplet and have it sound something like this. We also have a swing feature to change the swing of the arpeggio. So we can either give it no swing and make it sound like this, or we can dial it to about 75%, let's say, and give it this amount of swing. We can also use the mode knob to adjust how the arpeggio will be played back. We have a few different settings for this. So we have the up setting where the notes will go from lowest to highest. We have the down setting where it will start high and then go low. Then we have exclusive, inclusive, order, or random, so you can go ahead and experiment with any of these. Next, we have the octave knob to adjust the octave of the arpeggio. So for example, I can set it to octave 4, and now when I play the arpeggio, you're hearing it go through all of the different octaves. Then we have the latch knob, which is really cool because if we set this to on, we can play the arpeggio and let go, and then it will continue going. Next, we have the sync knob where we can set whether we want this sync to be internal or external. You'd only want to use external if you're using another device to set the arpeggio or tempo. And then we have the plus and minus buttons to change the speed of the arpeggio. So I'm going to play the chord again. And now I can use this knob to speed it up. See, it's getting faster, and I can slow it down. You hear it slowing. Now remember, in case the knobs aren't working with the arpeggio, you have to hold down the arpeggio button, and then you can use the knobs to adjust the arpeggio. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up the Arpeggiator on the M25. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.